And yes, the celebrities. Oh, I don't care about the celebrities. But that's apparently what most people are concerned about because that's all they list. They don't list the vendors. It's crazy. You got the celebrities that have long lines, and you have the ones that you just walk up and talk to because people just aren't as interested in them, even though they might be amazing. I mean, I've seen short lines for big names sometimes, or no line. What do I say to a celebrity? I don't know. I just don't bother. I mean, Ghostface, that's cool. And I've been, run from Scary Movie, which is such a good movie. I mean, Simon Pegg has been in a lot of really cool stuff.
Yeah.
But it was $130 just for him to sign one of these photos. Just for the photos, not even stuff he brought in. But I was absolutely planning to have him sign the Darkmoor album, but again, not for that price. No. Look, it's the famous
Podcast
duo.
brothers.
We're brothers?
Yeah, we're podcast brothers.
We're bad? Wait,
We're podcast brothers.
we're bad?
Woo.
Wait, we're Italian now? Like, hey, yo, it's me. I could be Italian.
Wow,
Okay,
this guy with the racist comments every time.
no, come on.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Hello, everybody.
So, thanks for watching the video. Here's our extended outro.
Outro, yeah.
Outro, yeah.
What we're gonna record? We don't know yet.
We don't,
I don't know.
I don't even know
It's
what.
all like-
Honestly,
This could be like the one we recorded last month.
I
Next
literally
month?
just,
Yesterday, you mean?
tomorrow.
I literally just record things and hope I get something worth posting. And most of the time,
That's like 95% of the time.
It's
Most of it,
95%
like,
of
you
the
know.
time.
See, that's
be
what's
like
good about these two. Like, you just record and like good stuff comes out.
Usually,
I don't know.
most of the
it's
time.
like
Most of the time. It's like
juice.
like OJ?
OJ.
Juice.
Like-
It's better. It's better when it's not concentrated.
We are at Spooky Empire.
Wrapping up my video for that.
Yes.
There's Romy Rain coming
This
soon.
is
Yeah.
rain.
Yeah.
This is a very strange and confusing setup, and I'm still not sure if I've seen everything.
No.
But
Yes, this event was very confusingly set up. Like
Not the-
you
not the
have
greatest.
right here the panel, like Q&A panel. It's on the second floor, and on top of that, the things are downstairs.
Like the ones that are less popular, like the Lego and
Lego
like
and
the
the game
gaming
room.
section,
Like,
that's
yeah.
like less populated. Like they
I
probably
get
should have flipped it, like have the
I
one
get
that's
it.
less popular
Yeah.
on top and the bottom.
and
more
I was so excited to get my Darkmoor album signed until I found out it was almost $200.
Always
Yeah,
vague,
for a
that's a lot.
signature.
$200 for a signature. Almost.
$120 just to get
Um,
it signed, just to get something signed.
Oh, that's what
It's crazy.
A photo.
Mikey is
That's what
yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
They're
And-
probably going to be here.
Simon Pegg is 130 for just a photo that's sitting out, and
I
you'll
was-
get the same photo everyone else does.
Yeah.
I was also kind of disappointed because I was like, oh, Ray Weiss, maybe I'll get something. I mean, he wasn't like the person. He was not one of the like super main characters in Twin Peaks, but he's secondary. It
Yeah.
wasn't like I was meeting Laura Palmer or even Kyle MacLachlan or even David Lynch himself. Rest in peace. He played the father. He played the father in Twin Peaks, and he's asking $80 just for an autograph.
That's crazy.
And I was like,
Inflation does that. To
and
you.
I really was like
Yeah.
excited to. I think the cheapest we saw was
Wasn't $10 for that one guy? I
$10 for
forgot.
Kaufman, Lloyd
David
Kaufman,
Kaufman?
Lloyd
Lloyd
Hoffman.
Kaufman.
Lloyd Hoffman.
Oh.
Lloyd
Yes.
Kaufman from
Oh, so it's not even.
the
not
Toxic
even Woe
Avengers
Davey.
Trauma
Yeah.
series.
Yeah. He $10 for his autograph.
But I think there was something else. I didn't really.
Probably
read
at
it.
sets, like yes. There's like the small like weird conditions and terms you have to
$10
do.
processing fee.
Vincent Price's daughter was here.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Vincent
Oh,
Price's-
that's
yeah,
what that was.
That's who that was. That's why I was
Oh,
like,
that's why
kinda, I was like, kind of him and her. I'm like, I
Yeah.
want something, but I think the thing that it was like $20 was cheapest.
yeah.
I kind of I'm okay with not spending money today.
Yeah.
Again,
It's always October,
October.
November.
Yeah. And on top of that, in our podcast, I said that I'm here mostly the times for the panels.
Yes.
Very much the panels. The panels are probably worth the experience.
I remember last year we came. It was a Sunday, and the one we saw was Alice Cooper.
Yeah, that was
The only one we
and
saw.
it was the only panel because we went to
You
the
were
panel.
hanging with Alice Cooper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
I
not
don't know.
worthy. I'm not worthy.
Yeah, we
Yeah, you
hung out with Alice Cooper.
Yeah.
Crazy. You didn't
Yeah.
you didn't
Nice.
see that. Huh. Yeah. So that's the reason why I'd be coming to this
Well, you
event.
know, I come for the vendors.
I come for the Avengers.
The Avengers are here.
The Avengers.
I like to go to the
Oh.
Avengers
Avengers.
campus.
Oh, the Avengers. Oh,
and
The
okay.
Avengers campus is cool.
And then Dave
is.
gets sued.
Yeah.
And
Don't say that. Hey, oh hey, don't bring it up now. Don't bring it up.
Well, if you don't know what we're talking about, you're just going to have to watch the podcast or listen to the podcast.
Yes.
Essential.
It's we
Spooky
said.
Dave.
Dave does everything I want.
Coming out
Spooky Dave.
out at some point on the
Apple.
podcast platform near you
Apple.
or near far from you.
Spotify.
Just
Spotify.
get
Yeah.
it.
SoundCloud.
Really?
No.
Sound effect.
like, I get
Twitter.
Twitter.
Again,
Yeah,
if
Twitter.
you have not followed us on our social medias, Dave's Spook Central, we'll post all those links in the bio. Yeah, it was a great day.
It was good. Yeah. I enjoyed it more than last year.
I definitely enjoyed it a lot more than last year.
The panels were great. Yeah.
Panels were much better than
Yeah.
last year. I think we also enjoyed it a lot more because there was not less of an episode.
Yeah.
No.
You're right. Yeah, we knew that.
We didn't have an episode
We
this
the
year.
pocket wasn't even.
We
Well,
didn't
well,
have an episode this year.
I was like, yeah, pocket wasn't
but
even
you
a thing.
recorded an episode.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I mean, if you know.
Everyone's now.
No, I mean, we will be posting that.
Yeah,
that-
pretty soon.
No, we'll be posting the link, the audio, some of the audio we did from. I recorded it never posted it.
Hmm.
Again, this podcast just started like really last year.
Yeah.
Yes, that's very true.
Even though
100%.
we have the first
The
episode
one
started in
episode.
2022.
Yep.
They went
And
on
the second
hiatus.
episode started in 2023, and it never happened.
And then there was
Damn.
another one that was supposed to start in 2024, but
Wow.
it never happened.
All right.
Until
Well,
August of 2024.
Yeah,
that's following me.
there's bugs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway,
All right. Well, that wraps it up for Spooky Empire. Not to be confused with the other show that sounds exactly like it, but it
but
doesn't.
it's not.
We don't
but
talk
it
about
sound-
it.
they
The logo
sound-
that looks exactly like, but it doesn't.
I don't have really anything to say and think because like I could say a lot of mean things right now,
About what?
but I'm not
About what?
about some certain people.
Oh, yeah, it's not
But,
do that. Yeah, let's not do that.
No, it's a great event. Can't wait to see this in October. Hopefully it's as cheap as this one.
Oh, it's better parking also.
Oh,
Yeah,
gosh,
better
yes.
parking.
Yeah.
All right.
Go
Well,
see Hall of Scream 5-year anniversary coming soon.
Shamu coming. Shamu the serial killer. Icon, he's coming.
Shamu
Might be announced this Sunday. Might be. You heard it here first on Dave's
Next
channel.
Halloween, November 1st, November 2nd, Spooky Empire, October version. And yeah,
Yeah.
all right.
yeah, there
Thanks
it
for
is.
watching, everybody.
Enjoy your time.
Yeah, do all the things you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.